everyone, Urmila here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nasi Lemak rice. So Nasi Lemak is traditionally a Malaysian dish that consists of rice, a bit of sambal, a stir-fry vegetable, some cucumbers and nuts. So I've already done a video on my YouTube channel that shows you how to make the tofu sambal. Now I'm going to show you how to cook the rice for the Nasi Lemak. Nasi Lemak essentially means, nasi means rice and lemak means fat. So with the Nasi Lemak rice, it is basically rice that is cooked in some coconut milk with a few added ingredients to give it that special flavor. So let me take you through the ingredients that you're going to need today. So what you're going to need is 2 cups of uncooked jasmine rice. I'm using jasmine rice. If you prefer to use a different rice, that's totally up to you, but the jasmine rice gives it a nice soft texture. You've got 2 cups of uncooked jasmine rice, 1 piece of lemongrass, few slices of ginger, and then I've got some pandan leaves. So here in Australia we get our pandan leaves frozen unless you have a pandan plant in your house, but this is how it comes in a pack like this. So I've just taken out about 4 leaves and washed them, and I'm just going to tie it into a knot so that we can just put this whole thing into the rice, and then it's easily removable later. Then I've got 1 cup of coconut milk and 2.5 cups of water, and you need to add a little bit of salt. So I've already washed the rice and I've put it into this pot. I like to cook my rice in the microwave, so I'm just using a microwavable dish, and pour your water in. Pour the coconut milk in as well, and you can just stir it or just mix it so that the coconut milk mixes in with the rest of the water and the rice. And then I usually just flatten the rice on the surface, and I actually like to measure with my hand how much of milk or water I need to add, and it looks like I'm just going to add another 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and then just put in a pinch of salt, put in your ginger pieces, your pandan leaves, and you can just pound the lemongrass a little bit and put that in as well, and then just close it and put it in the microwave for 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So now I've taken out the rice. It's been cooking for about 20 minutes, so I've just taken it out of the microwave. I'm just going to show you how it looks. We're just going to remove the lemongrass and the pandan leaves, and the pieces of ginger as well. You can leave it in there if you like, but I prefer to remove it so that you don't have chunks of ginger and lemongrass in your dish for your family to eat. And then just see how the rice is nice and soft. I'm going to show you now how to assemble the plate for Nasi Lemak with the tofu sambal and the vegetable. So I'm just using a glass bowl here, and I'm going to fill it with the rice and just press it down lightly. And you can only really do this when the rice is hot. So if your rice is cold, reheat it in the microwave or on the stove or whatever, and then try this step. And then just put the plate over and turn it over onto your plate. So you've got a nice dome shape serve of rice. And then on one side put your tofu sambal, and on the other side you can put your stir fry vegetable, and arrange a few slices of cucumber, and your nuts. And that is your complete dish, Nasi Lemak. Hope you enjoy it. Happy cooking! So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you enjoy making the dish and eating it as much as I'm enjoying eating this right now.